Mm. I think we are live. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's session, of course, as always. It's always uh, being a great honor for me to be a part of the upcoming growing community. We are just trying to build a small community and not select actually, just open for everybody. So yeah, it's building the community for the people who wants to trade, who wants to make small amount of money every day. And yes, we are live now, and hope you guys can see the screen. No, uh, on YouTube, yes, you can see the screen, but on TikTok, you cannot see the screen right now. But I am going to show you the screen before we start doing our trading, of course. As always, we always discuss few things before we start our streaming. Um, and before we start trading, so first of all, of course, let's not forget to mention crypto market is a very volatile market. It's so always be careful, guys. Do your own research. Don't follow my trades. Do your own research before you enter the trade. And the volatility is very high, of course. It's very high volatile market. And nowadays, of course, um, okay. So yeah, crypto or any kind of trading, if you do trade on like S&P 500 or any kind of stock exchange, stock trading, moreover, any kind of like gold trading, forex trading. So yeah, that's a very volatile market. So and especially if crypto futures, what we are doing is it's very volatile. So you need to be very careful. It's a very uncertain market. It goes up, it goes down, it moves sideways sometimes. So we always try to make money when the market moves sideways. And yeah, that's the way we work. We try to create some live trades. Okay, so I am live on YouTube as well as, let me check. So guys, there is a link in description in bios. You guys just click on that. So my all social platforms are linked with that. So you guys can join my uh TikTok, you join my YouTube, join my WhatsApp channel, join my yeah, join my X account. So I have just created an X account today. So we are just trying to uh increase our you know audience. I just started because, as I mentioned earlier, like I have before I started going live, I was doing trading from since trading futures since last 3 years, almost more than 3 years now. 2 years was of very rough. Start 2 years were like very hard for me. I was losing money. I was making money. I was losing money. Then I just started making small amounts of money since last year. Then I started growing. I started my journey with using $100 capital. That's it. And now it's grown a very big amount, of course, but started growing very small, small, small. So I just adding up my capital and doing compounding and stuff. So compounding can create your wealth, of course, and it's you how you decide to compound your money, of course. And the compounding is one and only way to increase your wealth. I have seen the people they make money, they take out their money every day, whatever they make, and they just use that money, so they're not compounding. Try to invest in different sectors. uh, Futures is the way. uh, Crypto futures is the way you can make quick money and invest the profit from that money to different spot coins, as well if you want to buy gold, if you want to buy some shares in S&P 500 or any share market, whatever you from where whatever the country you are. Invest in different sectors. Don't put all your eggs in one basket always. I strongly recommend people. Moreover, before we start our trading session, let's Ken's thank you so much for your gift. Ejaz, actually, I am using L Bank for crypto trading for now. Actually, first, but using since last 1 year, so it's good for me. They charge very small amount of money on using on trading. The trading fee is very less. Moreover, it's a very like user-friendly interface, so it's good for me actually, and I'm using it. There is a link in description as well. If you click on the link, so you can click on the link to to register with that as well on that exchange as well. So yeah, it's a good exchange. You can register your account. And one more thing, it's going on there. If you click, if you register your account using my referral with that link, you will be awarded 50 free USDT. It's a good opportunity for you. You can avail it, so you can use that money to do crypto futures. But if you're new to crypto, try to do on demo trades. There are multiple platforms. Any platform you use, don't give money to anybody. Please don't give to anybody. Don't give a single penny. Don't pay to learn. It's free. Everything is free. You can learn free. It's free all over the internet. So I don't like I just mention everybody. Just learn first, then you can of course. So yes, that's it, and I'll show you the interface now. Okay. So, but before we start our today's session, of course, before start doing live trades, I would love to mention, I would love to discuss like few uh, updates from the market. So what's going on in the market is right now. Oh, what just happened? Oh, okay. So market is increasing as I mentioned at the end of last year, at the end of December almost. Uh, Yeah, just I think you can give it a try. Sometimes it shows an error that you are in restricted area. Then there's a pop-up just comes up to your screen. So you just remove that. I am actually in Thailand. I sometimes I receive that pop-up. I think there's a bug somewhere on their app, but it's working, but not on the mobile app actually. If you use that on laptop or system, so there is but I hope it will work fine in UK. You can just give it a try. You can register that um, exchange. If you use that link, my referral link, then you will be awarded like 50 free dollars. Moreover, uh, I am in discussion with their one of their representative that if somebody registers my using my referral, what else you are just offering? So they just offered another thing for my referrals, like the futures 50 the futures fee, trading fee will be 50% already. So there it's a win-win for that. Moreover, if you buy or sell something in spot, so they will not charge anything. The accounts created using my referral, so it's a win-win. So yeah, it's a good thing. Moreover, so what's going on in the market today is, let's talk about it. Market is increasing, of course, 3.2 trillion at the end of the year because the holidays were there. So I was just telling you guys to after just finishing up the holidays, the market will definitely increase, and it happens every time. Of course, it's nothing much to you know learn about. Actually, so the market is now 3.2 trillion. At the end of the year, it was about like um yeah, thank you so much for your likes and your appreciation. I really feel honored. Okay, so uh, yeah, at the end of the year, the market went to 2.9 something, 98 something, 9, somewhere around there. And so now it's increasing 3.2 trillion. So it's increasing. Of course, it's a good chance for. What else? Yes, let's talk about the fear index. So fear index is let's talk about BTC dominance. BTC is already dominating the market from, I must say, from last maybe around 7 8 months. So yeah, it's good for the BTC. BTC moves the market. If it goes up, it will everything goes up. If it go down, then everything will be going down, of course. And now the fear index yesterday was 40 and today is 42. So it's a good sign for for the bull run actually. So we can consider it like it's a good sign for small period of time, maybe for like let me check. Yeah, let's say for 30 days, it's already on the greed side. So it's a good sign for the bull run, for the small bull run. Uh, but moreover, yes, let's talk about dominance. Yeah, dominance is already 558%. So yeah, it's growing every day. But there is a war. I must say it's not a war. Actually, US just did an operation in Venezuela, so it's not a good sign for the market actually. But of course, it affects the market. So sometimes it creates the panic. The people just try to sell. So yeah, but there is not much big effect on that. But because wherever the US is involved, of course, it just gives the market oh, that's a lot of love for Goodies Park. Thank you so much. I really feel honored. Uh, okay, so yeah, what I was talking about is actually, so yeah, the war, not the war actually, they just attacked on the Venezuela. I don't know what's just going on. So yeah, it happens. It's the world order is just changing every day. So what we need to do is we just want to just take small amount of profit from the market and just stays away from the market. Okay, so okay, yeah, that's the geopolitical issues and what's SEC is just planning something maybe, but not affecting the market. So yeah. So let's talk about BTC. There is so BTC is hovering around 93,100, 92,500, just in between that. So it's a good sign for short term, actually, not for the long period of time, maybe. And Ethereum is, of course, above 33,000. That's 3,160 to 3,200. So it's also a good sign. XRP got a good pump yesterday. So 2.14. It was on 1.9 something. So it's a good start for the small period of time. Okay, let's talk about uh sorry guys, just stay with me. I'm just setting up my login. So yes. So what's going on? There is let's see. And we are going to switch. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my screen. So that's the way. Where is it gone? Okay, here. So I have just created an X account. There is a referral link. Sorry, not the referral. Sorry, you can just click on the link in bio. So that's the way you can connect with me. Uh, there's a WhatsApp link, YouTube, Facebook. Sorry, not Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok and X. So I have just edited then and the X account as well. Okay, so let me show you my screen. Let me. Sorry, click camera. I hope you guys. Okay. So yes, you guys can see the screen, hopefully. Okay. So what happened yesterday? I was stuck in two trades and oh sorry, I have just logged on to another account. Let me fix. Let me log on to my account first. So I will show you guys. Sorry, not so, let me just s- sign into my real account. I was logged on to another account, which was actually not in my use majorly. So yes, here it is, here it is. Okay, yes, that's the login. Okay, let me log on to that. So I was stuck. It feels bad if if you can't see anything. Let me flip the camera for now. Okay. Uh, yes. Okay, I'm just going to set up the screen. What's going on here is here Opera. Okay. So I hope you guys can see the screen. Okay, let me log on to the system. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Okay, I'm just going to log on to the system. And sorry guys if you are hearing the noises. Actually, kids, of course, kids, nobody can stop them. I tried stopping them, but they just keep shouting. Of course, we cannot do anything with the kids. Okay, and I'm just going to log on to my real account. So I will show you. Mm, sorry, just wait. Okay. Okay, here it is. And what's the password? Password is here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, sorry. Okay. So I'm just logged on to my real account. I will show you. Okay. So what's going on here is we are doing the futures, of course. Okay. So let me show you my favorites and truth. Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to show you my screen. Let me show you my screen. Okay. So here you go. Actually, what happened yesterday was actually I was stuck at two trades yesterday. So one of my trade went well actually after just closing my session. So I will show you the history, of course. I would love to. So I just made $102 in that trade actually. That was stuck and it just went wrong a little bit. And I was just telling you guys that there is a good chance for that one to come at that mark, and that position was opened at this position. uh, yeah, this was a pair, and using 20x cross margin, and it happened with I just opened the position at this that the closing time was that actually. So it took me like one hour to close the trade, but yeah, let me show you details. Yeah, that's the details. So yeah, and the other pair, the next position is just in progress actually now, and of course it will be in positive for sure. It's just near to, uh, it goes near to closing position, closing mark, but just went back down. So I'm just hoping for that one to go a little bit more up. So yeah, it went to that mark. My TP was actually I did not put my TP at this one. No, TP is $107. So I'm hoping that maybe it will take a little bit more time, but let's see. Let's hope for the best. And yeah, that's what's going on here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the screen now. Okay. So it's just on break even. I and I wish uh Let's see if we can just close this trade in positive now. And okay, so what's going on here is, let me show you. So there is a good chance for this one to go a little bit up. So if you see the 15 minutes time frame and we see the RSI is in the 15 minutes, of course, not in favor. But if we see the 1 hour time frame, so there are good chances for this one to go at least this mark. But for that will take maybe more time. And for the, yeah, for sure it's going up, of course. And sorry guys, let me just, okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm hoping for this one to go a little bit more up. So let's see. So what I'm hoping is actually we are, yeah, I'm just waiting for this one to go a little bit up. So let's see if it goes right or wrong. Okay, so what do you think, guys? Like it should go a little bit up or okay, I am just waiting for this one. What else I can do in this position actually is we can open the short position from here for the short period of time, but I'm hoping for this one actually this will go way up more. So maybe what can we do? We can just wait. Okay. Sorry, let me just. Okay. So, all right. Meanwhile, let's take the trade on the other pair. I have just saved the previous one. So, yeah, this was. Oh, wow. What a dip, actually. We can. What do you think, guys? Can we open the long position from here? Yes. There are good chances for this one to go a little bit up. Uh, I think we should wait maybe. See these big dips actually. These were like very. So BTC is just moving up. I have seen this coin actually. This one. This always goes against the BTC actually. What's the logic behind that actually? Cannot judge. Uh, what just happened with that actually? Wow. What do you think, guys? It's going back up, maybe. There are chances for this. This is the pair actually. You can see this one, HUSDT. Adjust here. You can also monitor if you are using any exchange. So it's listed on most of them, almost all of them on this pair actually. Okay, so let's observe this one for few minutes. So I think we should wait maybe for few minutes. It went to like 0.155 and it's now 0.158. We can open the long position, but uh not sure yet actually. Okay, okay, let's wait and hope for good for this one actually. Uh, what just happened with that actually? See, guys, this is a big moment. It just came back to very actually at very good price for opening the long position. But if you see the RSI, it's in very good favor, but not now. Actually, we should wait. Hmm. It's coming down more. Hmm. But getting some rejection from that mark. These candles are good sign for the rejection actually, but I'm not going to open any position for now at least. See the volatility. That's what I always talk about. Especially the meme coins, they just can kick you away from the market. On the other hand, you can just get a good profit from the market as well. So yeah, that what happens. I was just going to open this position for the long position, but luckily I was just analyzing the other one. So I got lucky in this one actually. I was just about to open this position like 10-15 minutes back, but yeah. Okay, so what's going on here is so I will follow my pattern, my discipline. What will I do? I will use 1% of my portfolio, almost 1% of my portfolio to open the long position. I am going to open the long position in this one. But from what mark? Okay, using the cross 20x. I don't suggest you guys to use 20x. It's a it's a big leverage. Don't use that. Try to use, like, if you're new to that, just try to use 5x, 10x max, not more than that. Strongly not recommended. And yes, let's see. Let's hope for the best. And I'm using 20x because I have just analyzed this coin previously. From few days, I'm just analyzing and trading in this pair actually, and it's going very good. So I'm making good money in this one. So for now, actually, I love this pair, and I will open the trade following by the RSI, of course. Hmm. I think we need a little push back down. Hmm. What do you think, guys? Like, if you, I think we should. Okay, sorry. I'm hoping for the best for this one. Uh, just one more dip, then I will open the long position from here, actually. If we see the 1 hour time frame, you can see it can go a little bit more down, but we will do the short-term scalping, so we will just take small amount of money. Oh, sorry. I think I hope you can't. It's the mirror view on your screen, actually. I feel like it's it's not mirror, actually. So, what do you suggest? You want me to open the long position from here? Yeah. Preferably, I will definitely do that. But just waiting for, like, should I open the long position from here? Hmm, sorry. I think waiting is key in this trade. Hmm, yes. Okay. So for I think we should wait for now, at least until. Hmm. So we I I don't want to open actually short position. I'm not sure. It's already on the lower side of today's price. So let's open the long position from here. I'm using 1% of my portfolio to open the long position. And okay, so let's see and hope for the best. So I am in position, and you guys will witness what's going to be happen and what I'm going through. You will witness. Okay. And yes, we are. Uh, I would preferably uh put stop loss at my break even at least when it goes. Oh wow, my other trade is closed. Oh wow, it's a good sign. Let me show you. I just put my TP on that one. Oh wow, I have just made 49% of that trade. So $106 I have just made in that trade. That trade was open like 2 days back and just closed today, giving me another $100, 49% of the gain. So it's a good sign. You guys just witnessed this one. So it's my live account. It's my real account. It's not demo account. So I have just made $106, 102. So technically I have made $200 today. Wow. It's good. It's a good sign. It's a good start for the day. And just to open the long position from here, I just want I always want to just grab these kind of opportunities. So it's a good sign. Let's talk about TP. Where should TP be actually? If we see the longer period of what's how much TP? Oh no, that's a big money. It's not going to give back near soon. Uh, yeah, here it caused some rejection. Yeah, $130 can be possible, but all right. I'm just going to set the TP for now here. If it will get a good bump back, so yeah, there are good chances for us to make some of the dollars. So yes, you guys have just witnessed the previous trade, so I can show you again. Yeah, no, I just put my TP at this mark. Actually, it's it's achievable. It's not far from my position, but uh, that will depends that if market pulls back. So let's see. I'm using RSI, Asad. I'm using RSI. So majorly, actually, I'm using RSI. I don't use like any EMA or MA. So because I'm doing the short-term scalping, so the RSI indicator gives a good indication for you to open the long or short position. Uh, okay. So you're asking about the TP. I have just set the TP at 0.1615. So um, yes, it can go to that price, but I think this 0.160 is the good TP. That's very achievable. But I'm not sure. I just got confused now. Okay, let's set it to 0.160. What do you suggest? Uh, both of them are just like, yeah, I'm Asian, of course. I'm from Pakistan, but right now I'm just in Thailand, staying in Thailand from last 5 years. So yeah, yeah, I have just in Indo, I have just set the TP at 0.160. That's the price I have just set the TP for this pair actually. You guys can see we Asians just can, you know, can be recognized anywhere. Sorry, I didn't understand what you're talking about. That's right. Kids, our kids, the kids from our country, they're very loud. I tried to control them. I told my wife to just try to keep them quiet, but you know, well, kids, we cannot stop them. There is no way to stop them. I personally use simple RSI from uh, I never use stock RSI, so I don't have a better idea for that. I just basically I let me tell you my story actually. Someone just sent the wrong message, which is filtered. Okay. Mm. Guys, be gentle. If something is wrong, you can just uh, leave it. Okay. So I was just telling you actually, I have just started my futures trading since last. It's been more than 3 years now, and first 2 years were very painful uh, and full of losses. Every day I was in loss. Every day I was in loss, and it took me 2 years to come to at least my break even on my break even. So then I made I made two three strategies, and which I started using following, and since then, so last year was very good for me, and I'm just doing crypto futures now. That was my actually side not income was free. That was just my side hustle, or maybe what can we do? Like, it's a side activity. So now I have just made it my full-time job. I do trade like for 2, 3, 4 hours every day. And of course, sometimes when you sit somewhere, you can just open and see what's going on in the market. So yeah, I just then the last year was very good. So I made a strategy. Let me tell you my strategy. What I'm following is I just open the trade with 1% of my portfolio because my portfolio is just now increased very much. So open the trade with 1% and keep another 1% for DC if trade goes wrong. Of course, nobody in this world can guess 100%. Mm, oh, it's good. Gold. So what positions you were in? Like short positions or long positions? So yeah. So I have seen the people they're just showing. Oh, okay, it's good. It's good. But gold, yeah, gold gave me loss like $500 last week. So I'm not trading gold for now actually. Yeah, it's good if you're new to crypto or trading or whatever you're doing. Just start doing with small amount of money. Just try to increase your capital doing by compounding. So I always suggest people to just do compound and just draw. Just when you doubles your capital, just withdraw your actual capital from the market. That's what I do actually. What I did actually, but now I'm very good positive. Sorry. So people are showing like they are making like thousands of dollars every day. I don't want to show anybody. I don't want to give anybody a good hope. The crypto market is very volatile. It's a very risky market. Yes, you can win, of course, but on the other hand, you can lose as well. Uh, oh, okay, okay. It's good. It's good. If one position is open for the long, actually, yeah, it's good. Actually, what I do is I because I am doing the short-term scalping, so I just check the RSI on 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. So my strategy to open the long position or the short position is when the RSI is below 20, I open the long position every time, and 90% of the time I got the good profit. And on the other side, if RSI goes on above 80, not the 70, so when it goes above 80, I can open the short positions, but I need to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes for the short term scalping, of course. But for the long term, yes, you know the bank to market is minimum 30 and maximum 70. So if you want to open short or long, whatever you want to do that. So that's what I do actually. So, and it's just just one only indicator. I just check like where is the support and resistance. You should also check every time, uh, and if shows some support or resistance, it's a good thing to understand the market. But yeah, for the longer period of time, yeah, the RSI is also a good friend of mine. Actually, I must say, I have been in a good profit since following the RSI always. 90% of the time, actually, I've got good trades. But yeah, 10% of the time, sometimes you just take wrong trades. So yeah, it happens. No, no, the value of RSI is 5. I said the value is 5, but the RSI should be below 20 to open the long position. So right now it's you can just see it's just 62 somewhere around there. So value of RSI is 5. So see, so I set the RSI to 5, the value of RSI. Yeah, compounding, of course. Compounding can create you wealth, of course. So I started compounding. I just withdrawing small amount of money every day, if of course for the everyday needs, but it's a good money actually. So yeah, that's what we are just going to. So yeah, it's nice. It's good. Wow, that's a good sign. It's very good thing. If you have just started doing with $200 and grown to $3,000, if I tell you like how much I have grown my capital, you will be surprised, of course. Okay, let me tell you. I started my in January. I mentioned yesterday as well. I started January 2025 with $100 again. After losing 2 years, okay, let me make one strategy. Okay, now this should be my strategy. Let me focus on that strategy only. So, focusing on that strategy, I have grown up you $100 to now $30,000. So my portfolio is now almost $30,000 and 30,000, 31,000 around somewhere around there. So this one, the main cap, the main account I'm using, showing you the trades on that. So yeah, it's good. It's good. And that's what I did, compounding my capital. So yeah, it happens. So yeah, it's a good sign. You can do that. Everybody can do that. But for that, of course, you need to just follow the pattern, follow the strategy. And my strategy is, if my trade goes wrong, I do DCA. And if the DCA goes wrong, so I will close my trade manually instead of waiting for that one to come up somewhere around there. So that's my strategy. Bro, I'm just doing crypto trades. That's it. I'm just not doing anything else. I'm just doing crypto. My wife is Thai, so it's easy for me to live here. So yeah, I'm just living here from last almost 4 years and few months. So almost 5 years almost. You guys can click on the link as well. There is a link in. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Thanks to Allah. Thank God. I have made good money, and but after losing a lot, but now of course in profit. But it, uh, the start was very painful. I don't want people to be in that pain. I don't want my even my enemy to. I don't want to see my enemy in such a pain. What I have been through, it was very bad. Like I could not be able to sleep like for long. I was in like, yeah, yeah, of course, Ijaz, you can do that. It's good thing. Yes, it's easy. It's easy, but all you need to do. Yeah, of course, of course. So, Asad bro, of course, you are in pain right now, but of course, one day you will feel like, okay, you have you have made it. But just make one strategy and keep following that. Make one strategy and just work on that. And yeah, quitting is not the solution. Whatever you do, quitting is not the solution. Just do it. And if you are into it, yes. And it's not that actually tough. I must say, it's not that tough. Everybody can do that. Even if I can do that, then even little kid can do that. So I'm not that pro trader, but thanks to, well, God, that. I have made some. So yeah. So another thing I suggest people, for the new people, if they want to use their real money, I suggest them to open the position with isolated margin. So that's the way. If trade goes wrong, you cannot judge where to put your stop loss, and trade goes wrong. So let it go actually. Don't put more money into that trade to increase the liquidity. You will gain it, of course, but open the position very small amount, with very small amount, like use like 1%, 2% of your capital, not more than that, and try to use like leverage 5x to 10x max. That's what I did. That's what I followed like in the last year, and just grown my capital. So when I just grown up to like few thousands of dollars, so I just uh, I thought like okay, let it's time to tell the people, and there are a lot of people. Yes, yes, bro. I am also the middle class, so there was a lot of pressure. That's a lot of people after you. There are a lot of people depends upon you. So yeah, on yeah, Prime XBT, I understand. It's very, but it's for, but I think you use that for gold trading. But if you do crypto, so I think, and it varies on coin to coin as well. So yeah, you can see that. Bro, I have just started my community, making my community. If you click on the link in bio, so I have just mentioned my Telegram. Sorry, not Telegram. No, my WhatsApp channel, my TikTok channel, my YouTube channel, and my X. I have just created the X account today. Actually, I so you can just connect with that. So you can follow the community. Actually, in community, I'm just now sharing the profits and telling the people like, and showing my live account. So if there is a loss, you can just see. So there is no loss in last 30 days. You guys can see there was just very small. So yeah, so that's it actually. So what I do is actually I just share. Now I will start sharing in few like um, yeah, I'm just sharing few information. Bro, my exchange is L Bank. So because I am their good trader, so they just offered me to for a referral link as well. So you can click on the link as well. There is a link in that bio as well. So while registering on that exchange, you will be a part of my team. So it's good for you and for me as well. Yes, it just bro, it's very reliable. It's very reliable. I have been using this from last year. I'm not using EMA, MA, and there are a lot of thousands of indicators. I'm not using any one of them. So I always use RSI. But yeah, sometimes it goes wrong, but most of the time it gives me uh I mentioned earlier like 90% of the time I've just closed my trade in positive. So yes, you can click on the link. Bro, actually, just got the what do you call that, referral account. Just got. I have not got any single penny from them actually for now. But they have just seen me doing good trading, so they just offered me, okay, you can use your referrals. So we will offer your referees to a good discount. So there will be a 50% discount on your trading fee as well. So it's a good thing. If you register without using referrals, so you would not get any discount on that. Of course, you can do trading. You can register your account, but using that referral account, you will be given like a 50% discount on futures trading fee. Moreover, there is another opportunity they gave. the people who follow me, you can just click on the link and register your account, and they will award you 50 USDT, which is valid for 1 day actually when you uh, withdraw your coupon. And for that you can use that for future trading actually. So you can do that. It's a good thing. You can avail that opportunity. I suggest you should create that account. Yes, yes, that's what the EMA and MA and the other indicators you are mentioning. It's good for the long term, for the long term or intraday trades. But I don't do intraday trades. I just want to what just happened. Oh, okay. Sorry guys. I think something. TikTok just understand that I'm just doing nothing. Okay. I should have to move my phone because uh TikTok Live always just understands that nothing is going on the screen. Bro, actually, I don't like this thing actually. I don't want the money from the people, from the referrals. I personally don't feel good for that actually. People just try to make money, and the exchanges are just manipulating them. I suggest them, okay, in future if we can do that. So what we can do is actually, if you want me to commission and you're getting from my referees, just give it back to them. So that's what I've talked with their representative. So they were saying, "You are the only one just want to give money back. I don't want money from anyone." Uh, of course, I would definitely not. It not feels good for me actually. I don't feel good for that because people just try to put small amount of money and you are just taking the commission from that. So it's bad. I We are already making good money by the grace of God, so we don't need so. So yeah, yeah, it's a good suggestion for you. But yeah, for now, actually, I'm just doing this. So it's a good, yeah, yeah. Okay, it's nice. Bluefin. Okay, I will check it. But for now, actually, I'm using this account for a long period of time. I don't want to lose this. So maybe in future we will try to. For now, our trade is okay. Let's see another pair for now. This one, the pair I have just made few dollars. Yeah. 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame is up. 1 day time frame would be in the longer run. Of course, this one is just going to blow up, but waiting for that time to come. Okay, I think now. So maybe I never did. I just got an email, so they just gave me a referral account. So I just starting doing that. But yeah, it's a good thing for people to, if you are following, just create an account and you can join the WhatsApp community as well. If you click on the bio, so you will be directed to connect on my WhatsApp channel as well. So yeah. Okay, so what do you suggest for this one actually? Mm, if we see the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, it's it's on already on the higher side. Uh, let's see. Uh, I go live on YouTube as well. Let me check if it's working well. Yeah, it's live is working. Okay. How much time? Oh, just 1 hour passed. Okay. Sure, bro. Sure, bro. You can just send me message. You can just send me message. I will just keep continue my live session maybe for 2 3 hours, and you can just send me message. We will talk, of course. And if you're not following my account, I think you are following my account as well. It's a great honor for me. Okay, so 1 hour, 15-minute time frame. Not sure. Yeah. So that's the RSI value I always follow. What's just going on? Oh, that trade just gone wrong for now. Yeah, welcome. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Yeah, it's really nice talking with you. Uh, okay, okay. Okay, so that's just falling down. So it's time for this one. No, it's already on the higher side. That's what I was just talking about before. In the start of the session, we can open the short position, but I'm not in the favor of opening the short position in any coin because these coins are already on the lower side of their prices. So my strategy is to open the long positions in such kind of tokens or coins. So let's see what there's another coin. This is also newly listed coin, and let's see. Uh, Sorry, my internet is a bit slow. Okay, okay. Wow. 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, and 1 hour time frame. I will short this one, but not from here. If it goes back to this mark, I will short this one. I don't want to do short position, but okay, we can do that. We can do RSI the 1 hour. Hmm. Yes, one day it's a newly listed, so the new coin, uh, more chances to kick you out from the market. So be safe, guys. 15 minutes if we see. Okay, what we can do is let's draw the support. Yeah, here's the clear support on the 15 minutes time frame. So that's the support. You can just clearly understand. And the resistance cannot confirm if we see the movement is not cleared. There is no such a good pattern for now, maybe. Okay, let's see. Uh, but if we do the back test, so it's just moving up. Okay, let's talk about 1 hour. So that's the 1 hour time frame. It's just going up. So it's showing the Bullish momentum for now, but we are not sure yet. Let's let's open the. I just want to open the long position in this one actually. Maybe. Okay, so if this one, this the price comes to this mark and just going back down, so maybe the next stop would be here, but it's not coming so quickly for now. I'm not sure, maybe we are not sure about this one. And let's hope for the best. Okay, meanwhile, we are not in a clear understanding of this position. Maybe we can open the long position from this candle, but uh, we can just grab very small amount of profit. So, I don't know. No, no, it's not TradingView. It's an exchange. The exchange I'm using, this one. That's their name. I'm using this one, so it's not TradingView. It's my live account actually. It's not the demo account. Okay, okay. So yes, but I think yeah, they are using their uh this exchange using TradingView for uh all of the side things. What do you call that? Okay, okay. Yeah, it will go up. It will not fall down near so soon, maybe. Okay, what we have on the other side, H. Oh, it just fall down. Wow. And my position is in negative, and my strategy is to do DCA when my trade will go negative percent on negative 70% on the trade. Okay, it's on 30% now. No worries, we will close this trade in positive as we did always. I will show you how to do that. Okay, what a big fall. First chances. Okay, why this is happening with me every day almost? But it's a good thing actually. I just close every day in positive. So it's also a good sign. No, I just missed this one, it does actually. There was a good, but yeah, I don't know why I missed this one. I was just, I think I was just discussing about the other pair. See the RSA. Oh, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. So, so this is the support. This could be the support for now, maybe, but not sure. May it will take maybe few more candles to confirm, and let's see. For sure, we will close this trade in positive. I have a good feeling for this one. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, I do. That's right. I always do meme coins. I have gained a lot from meme coins, so that's why I just keep doing it instead of like stable coins. You call that XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm not trading them anymore. I invested in them like in 2017. Yeah, when BTC was somewhere around $8,000. I started investing in spot. I spot buying all of that. XRP I just bought in 2018 maybe. Yeah, it was just newly launched on that time. And BTC was there, and Ethereum and Dash, Litecoin, there were big coins. And then they started pumping a lot of coins in the market, so dumping a lot of coins in the market. So yeah. Okay, in this trade, why I am opening the long position here, actually it gives us a good, at least support, such kind of support. See, there is no liquidity in the market for this coin actually. Why is it not? Because it's already on the lower side of its price, somewhere in midway, somewhere around there. So I have just opened the position with $300. So it keeps me at least safe if something goes wrong. Okay, let it be. There is no liquidity, so we are still safe. It happened with me like on October in October on 10th of October. My trade was open, the long position of one pair, and the liquidity was not there actually. So almost half of my portfolio went to negative side, and I was sleeping at that time and just wake up and just saw the market. The people were crying, and that's a lot of people just got liquidated. I just checked my account, and my account was there as it is because the liquidity was not there. So my I was lucky at that time actually. So that's another strategy I have just broke, that this is the way you can, okay, that's the way you can protect yourself. At least try to trade those coins which are already on the lower side of their price. Of course they're not going to zero. Of course, if it goes to zero, still you there is no liquidity, so it will still be there. So if you're not putting any stop loss, so yeah, it happens. But let's see if we. But this coin, I have been trading this coin from last maybe now 3 4 months, 3 months almost. So I lost a lot in this one, but I just made back and almost double triple from this one. So it's all, if you see, let me show you 1 day time frame. So see, uh, That was a lower price. Was the theory? Yeah. When it's launched, it just went back up. So it came to 0.04. That was 10 October. Let me show you. Uh, no. What was that actually? Yeah, 10th of October. It went to, let me show you. This was the coin actually. Then I made good profit in this one. The liquidity was not there actually. So it just gave me a good profit in like my trade. I kept my trade open for long period of time, and I made good profit in this one actually. Instead of doing scalping, I was understanding, okay, this coin is already on the lower side of its price. So yeah, there is a good chance for me to make money in this one. I should have opened the short position. I don't know why I did. Well, it's okay. It's okay. We will do DCA and close the trade, of course. So RSI is up because the value of RSI was 5 actually. So it's the previous 5 candles movement and it's the average position of that. So yes. Okay. I will drag down the price doing RSI, but what I did earlier, like previous days. Let's see. There are good chances for this one actually. Hmm, it's not clear. Oh, it's falling down. And I will do DCA after 150 100 and 80 58 55 53 53 and no, that's too early to do DCA. So for now we are not doing DCA. Let's keep it continue. No worries. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, for now I'm just removing the TP for now. And okay, meanwhile, see another pair. Hmm, truths. Yes, this one is giving us a good sign to open the short position. But not 100%. If we see the 1 hour, It's a good sign, but one day. But we don't want to open the short position. I'm not in the favor of opening the short position. Maybe. Yes, we don't want to open the short position. Let's keep it continue and okay, that's one thing. That's what was the other pair? This one. Let's talk about this one. Okay. So 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, if you see the 5 minutes time frame, uh, we can open the. I'm not sure. 1 hour time frame is. What do you think? I think we should open. Not. Can we open the long position? I think we can open the long position, but not making much money in this one actually. Mm, let's leave this one for now, I must say. Let's talk about our previous trading pair and truth is good and a good shape. What I will do is if I open the short position, I will put my stop loss in this kind of position. I will put my stop loss to my break even at least. If something goes wrong, still I will be in the safe zone. That's what I do in the short position specifically. If the coins are already on the lower side of their prices. So that's what I always do. Hmm, what's going on? So here's the resistance. Here's the resistance for now, at least. And what's going on here? Okay, we can open the short position, but not now. Let it go back up some point at some point, following by the RSI. Uh, Ali bro, actually, I suggest you if you are new to crypto and you don't know anything, just create accounts on exchanges, whatever you want to use. Almost all of the exchanges gives an opportunity to do the demo trades. And the demo, you don't need to put your real money. I'd strongly not recommend you to put your real money. So please, I strongly recommend you don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't do that. And there is another platform, TradingView. You can use their demo option that's called paper trading. So that's the way. Just try to learn SMC, Muhammad Salman, bro. Okay, okay. I will check. I will check it. Let me know. Let me notice it down somewhere. Okay. So what I was telling you is actually, if you are new to that, bro, please, I strongly recommend you guys to please start doing with demo trades. Don't put your real money into your real accounts. So that's the way you can lose. Of course, I don't want anybody to lose any money. If, of course, I have made one. Even if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I always suggest people, my community, my friends, the people who knows me, and want to do trading, actually just do with the demo accounts. If you are new to that, create your accounts on any exchange, whatever you want to use. I use this one, this exchange. Um, but just follow few groups, follow few people, and everybody is teaching crypto nowadays. Everybody is doing it. Just keep follow someone and keep just follow at least one people, one person, and just follow their strategies. Or if you don't want to follow their strategies, at least you can make your own. But understand the market, understand the movement. So that's what I would definitely suggest you. And don't give money to anybody. Don't give money to anybody, not even a single penny that please trade for you. No, please, please don't give any money to anybody. Do it by yourself, but learn first. It's very easy. It's not very tough thing to understand. Just all you need to just see the market movements. And what I do is I do scalping, so it's easy. It's easy, very easy. Just do it. I am in very good profits from 1 year, last 1 year. I have been doing trading, trading futures, especially since from last 3 years almost now. And I started crypto in 2017 when the BTC was. I bought the BTC at the price of $8,000. So I bought two BTC at that time, and that was a good time for me. Then I just converted all of them to all shit coins and meme coins, and that's the mistake. And I would never ever do that again if that time comes again. So so you always learn with from your mistakes. But I think the wise person is that who learns from other people's mistakes. So instead of doing mistake by yourself, just learn from the other people. There are a lot of people in the market. Even I am one. I have lost a lot. First 2 years were very painful. We were already discussing in this session with one two friends. So yeah, yeah, it's a good thing. You can make good money, but all you need to do is just have some patience and follow the discipline. The discipline is the key in the trading. Whenever you just uh, uh, don't follow your discipline, or just okay, just let go that point specifically, so that's the one. Pro SMC, okay, let me try. What are you talking about? Let me check. SMC, it's not showing. Like can you write me? Can you tell me its complete name? Or it's not showing on that. Even this is linked within TradingView actually. SMC, I don't know. I know Lux Volvo, but I don't know what's not showing. You see, it's not showing here. I'm just typing SMC. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. What smart? I don't know. It's not showing on that. Okay, let's see on TradingView. Let's talk about. Let's see if it shows on. Okay, you're talking about SMC. Small. Lux Volvo. SMC. Lux. Mm, This is what are you talking about? Maybe. Okay, let's set this one. Okay. So at what time frame it works very well? Can you confirm? Okay. Okay, bro, let me check. Weak highs, well highs. CHOCH means that you can open the, but it's EQH. What is that? Uh, uh, okay, let's check out. Let's do the back test of this one actually. Hmm. But see, indicators are not always right. But I have seen like mostly free indicators just they give you good understanding, but I'm not sure. If you see, yeah, sorry, yeah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about actually.